food for a while. A resource that we know is depleting, yet we humans act as if it will last forever. We live in a world where we grow enough food to feed everyone, yet 1/3 of all food produced goes to waste. A quote by Jose Graciano Plaza. Sadly, this is the reality we live in. Studies by Candice Cristania shows that 1/3 of all food produced goes to waste. This is why this research is important. This research aims to show that food waste is a significant matter and encourage us to take part in helping the environment. Good morning, adjudicators, advisors, parents, and friends. My name is Michelle, and my research is about people's awareness towards the significance of food waste problems. Studies indeed show that 1/3 of all food produced has gone to waste. Indonesia is in fact the second largest food waste contributor, whereas its food waste could lead up to 13 million tons per year. Studies explain that humans are now living under the causes of environmental damage. Population keeps growing while the resources keep on depleting. Certain plants and animals have gone extinct, fishing is reduced, there is less supply of clean waters, and food resources are decreasing. Facing this fact, food waste should and must be avoided. There are two methods that the researcher used in this research, quantitative and qualitative. The quantitative method will focus more on providing the researcher with the significance of one point compared to another point using a Google form questionnaire, while the qualitative method will focus more on the expert's view on the topic through an interview. The quantitative method questions will focus more on the respondents' food waste habits, and there are a total of 60 respondents in this research. The qualitative method, however, will focus more on the expert's view on how consumers and the community as a whole and what they can do to reduce food waste in the environment. There are a total of 2 experts interviewed, which are number 1, the person in charge of TPS, and number 2, a food business owner. Before we continue in this research, it is important to clarify the difference between these two key terms, food loss and food waste. Although these two key terms may sound very similar, and most of us have probably thought about it as the same word, it is actually different. HSPH explains that food loss is the food loss at the production stage up to the distribution stage, while food waste is the food loss at the consumption stage. Note that number 5 means yes or the highest form of agreement, and number 1 means not at all or the lowest form of agreement. From my research and the data that I've gathered, we can conclude that the respondents are generally aware of food waste problems, and that almost every respondent thinks that food waste is an important matter. There are also various causes for food waste mentioned by the respondents. Causes vary from food expiration, not eating leftovers, and impulsive buying of food. However, there are also prevention methods that the respondents mentioned, such as checking the expiry date, meal planning, and eating the leftover foods. The researcher also asked the experts what can consumers do to reduce food waste in the environment. DK, which stands for the person in charge of TPS, mentioned that the consumers can separate in organic and organic waste. By doing so, we can cut costs on separating the waste, thus speeding up the process of the waste processing. We specifically asked the second expert, FB, which stands for the food business owner, what they can do to reduce food waste in schools, and she mentioned that there are 4 methods. Number 1 is to bring the right portion of food, not too much and not too little. Number 2 is bring your own cutlery. Number 3 is participate in a donation program, and number 4 is to bring a food saver container. In conclusion, people are generally aware of food waste problems, and that people are not as ignorant as it was assumed. People are also willing to try methods to prevent the increase in food waste in this world. After we talked about the significance of food waste, why is it important? What are the causes of food waste? What are the prevention methods? What do the experts say about food waste? We have come to a solution. What is that solution? Meal planning. Meal planning is basically planning the meals you want to eat for the week and buying only the right amount of ingredients to prepare the ideal portion of food for you and your household that week. With meal planning, we can avoid impulsive buying to give discounts that could even lead to more food waste. The researcher has asked the opinions of experts on how they think meal planning can help reduce the environment. Both experts, PK and FP, both agreed that meal planning can indeed help reduce food waste in the environment. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and these are the references that I used.